Has this ever happened to you? You don't have to throw the whole hose away. Today we'll show you how to fix it. Some tools you'll need for this project: box knife or other knife, potentially some food grade oil. We'll discuss that a little later in the video. You'll need a screwdriver, most likely Phillips, maybe a flathead. Lastly, you'll need a hose mender. These come in two different kinds, male and female. Yes, there are obvious reasons for those names. You need to check your hose to determine which one you need, or pick up both in case you want to do a repair in the future. So we're going to just start with a clean, fresh end. Take your box knife and make a cut. Next thing we're going to do is just get our part out. It'll generally come in two pieces. Part 1, Part 2. So our first step is we're going to take our screwdriver and loosen the screws on our clamp. Just so you get a little bit of room, and we're going to place it on the hose. Then we're going to take our hose piece, we're going to fit it on the hose. Sometimes this is a little tricky, and you're going to have to work it on. If you find the process not going very well, you can then add a little food grade oil to it. By food grade, we mean olive oil, coconut, vegetable, something that's going to be safe, because we use this hose to fill up our dog's water dish. You don't want anything to be caustic for them. Or if a couple kids decide they need to drink out of the hose, it'll be safe for them too. You're going to try to push the hose up as far on the mender as you can. Once you get it up as high as you want, then bring back the hose clamp. We're going to line it up basically to the top part. When you're tightening a hose clamp, do it a little bit on one screw and then a little bit on the next, so that it helps to make even pressure on the part. Just like that, we're done. Now that the hose is fixed, we're ready for a little fun in the sun.